Hi, my name is Joani, Pemberton with Simply Vegas, and we are going to take you on a tour of this Plan 2 in the Atlas collection, and it's a Tri Pointe development. In it, the name of it is Southridge. They have two collections here. They have the Latitude collection and the South and the Atlas collection. And I'm going to take you a tour of the Plan 2 in the Atlas collection. It features 2786 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and a 2-car garage. And in this particular model, you can combine the bedrooms 2 and 3 upstairs and make it kind of a smart suite. So that's it build out. Build time here is approximately 9 months, and the base price of this particular Plan 2 model is $531,000. So let's take a look around. Okay, I'm gonna start out here again of this Plan 2 model, and it is really charming. There's the upstairs, the garage, the front door. Plan 2, we got it. Kind of modern looking. I don't want to get the sun. Paver driveway. I do want to point out this beautiful Japanese yew pine. I love those. They don't do well in the sun, so apparently this is going to be shaded. Beautiful. We walk into this front door. I think they have 9-foot ceilings in here. When we first walk in, we have 10 by 20 tile downstairs. Not entirely throughout the whole house, however. 9-foot ceilings. Recessed lighting. We start here in this kind of a charming little den when you first walk in. Again, there's a front door. So it has a window, little den, does not have a door. Interesting lighting fixture, and I'll show you how pretty this stack stone is. Gorgeous. Love that. Moving along, the garage door is right there, but we can't, it's locked. On this side, we have a half bath. The half bath kind of has this gray-green color, gray-blue, I should say, color cabinetry. Quartz countertop, under-mounted sink, and pretty. We walk into the family room, which has kitchen, dining room combination. We're starting in the kitchen. This island's pretty interesting. It's an asymmetrical island. I don't know if you can tell from this side, but walk over here. So you can see that it will be approximately a foot longer on that side. Okay, so we have quartz countertop with a GE dishwasher. Again, this cabinet is kind of a gray-blue color, really pretty. Single stainless steel sink. Over here we have the quartz countertop where the backslash goes all the way up. We have very simple, modern-looking cabinetry. We have a GE refrigerator-freezer combination. We'll show you that. Come back to that in a moment. Display cabinetry. Start here. Walk-in pantry. We have a GE oven, microwave oven, convection oven combination. Again, we have the display cabinetry. We have a gas cooktop, GE profile cooktop. Interesting looking modern hood. And again, the cabinetry that is the display case. We have the interesting, that's an interesting window. Back of the house, we have the family room here. We have a accent ceiling with recessed lighting. Again, probably 10 feet in the middle there. We have a 4-panel sliding glass door. We'll get to that. In the family room. So now over here, we have the dining room. Dining room is just on the way to there. By the way, there's a stairway that takes you upstairs and there back to the front door and the garage door right there. Okay, it's just for orientation purposes. So back again. This dining room has its own window. Pretty. Nice pool. And this has a sliding glass door, 4-panel. Okay, on this side, we have the 2 windows on the sides of the wall. Can't go out there because it's locked, but how charming is that? Really sparkly pool. Nice job. The fake grass in between and that's kind of throughout. They did a nice job. And they have like a little pergola. Covered pergola. Okay, we're back going into the master bedroom downstairs. So this has a master bedroom downstairs. Nice. That part's nice. We walk in and we kind of have these asymmetrical ceilings with the recessed lighting. Nice window feature. Again. And then over here, this wall against the bedroom has this beautiful stacked stoning on it. I just love that. Nice job. It's kind of rough and different sizes. The primary bathroom has a shower only. It's interesting. Nice bench, lots of tile. Nice and long. And these little tiles down here. We have the same cabinetry down here as we do in the kitchen. The dual sinks, triangular. Nice. Okay. Moving along. We have the water closet to the right. And this is really interesting. The closet is really big. Well, kind of big. And it also, in this closet, has the closet goes underneath the stairway. There's a little bit more room here, which is really nice. Okay, nice job. Moving along, oh, straight ahead, we have the laundry room right outside of the master or the primary bedroom. So it has cabinetry. It has a GE washer and dryer. Moving upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms upstairs. Kind of a little opening right here. We're gonna start at the back of the house. So first of all, we come up to this lovely loft. It has nice windows and recessed lighting. In the very back of the house, we have 1 bedroom. Cute little mural on the wall. Wall closet. Moving along. This wall is kind of paneled. That's interesting. And as I said before, in this, they can combine, these 2 bedrooms in the front, bedroom number 2 and 3 will start in bedroom number 2. Master being bedroom number 1 downstairs. This has a walk-in closet. and bedroom number 3 can be combined to be kind of a suite type thing. And in other words, they take the wall out. And this also has a little walk-in closet. And again, we're at the front of the house, so they have a lot of nice windows with natural light. And then we have a bathroom that accommodates actually these 3 bedrooms upstairs. So we're gonna start in here. Interesting tile. Dual sinks. Recessed lighting. Nice space up here. Thank you for taking this tour with me again of this Plan 2 model in the Atlas collection. And again, it is a Tri Pointe development. Just to recap, this base price of this home is $531,000. The square footage is 2786 square feet. It features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and a 2-car garage, so 2-story home. So if you're interested in this home or you want to contact me for any questions or anything, you can contact me with my information below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos. Thank you.